Besides the measurement microphones, which we offer in many different variations and types, for example half-inch and quarter-inch microphones for extremely low noise measurement or extremely high sound pressure level measurements, we offer also recommended microphone calibrators. So we have here a class 2 calibrator, which is recommendable for plausibility test. So if you develop, for example, an app or program under Linux operating system, so then I recommend to use simple class 2 calibrator to check your measurement chain, so that at the end of the processing, the data must show this 94 dB or 1 Pascal. So then we have here second calibrator. This calibrator have two different sound pressure levels. So it's 94 dB or 114 dB. Then third one, this is this here. This have 114 dB and 94 dB, and you can change the frequency from 1 kHz to 250 Hz. It has also built-in thermometer and barometer, so this is very good if you have many different microphones in your company. So then you can check the frequency linearity at 250 Hz and at 1 kHz, so that you can determine that the microphone already is sufficient enough and does not have any strange behavior. So that means between 250 Hz and 1 kHz, the corridor should be 0.5 dB or better. So if this is something like 2 or 3 dB difference, so then there's something wrong with the microphone. So next we have here it called piston phone. This type of microphone calibrator deliver 124 dB. So this is suitable for high sound pressure level measurement microphones. So now I will show you. This microphone is connected here to our Rugaduck 2 channel number 1, and this channel have a electrical range input of 10 volt peak. So now I just prepare here the calibration and recheck if this is okay. So now I switch on the calibrator. Now we see the signal is coming. So for example, if you have measurement microphones for high sound pressure level measurements, something like 140 dB or 150 dB or more, so then I recommend to calibrate the microphone at 114 dB. So because then the signal to noise ratio is better. So now I switch to 114 dB. And now I start the calibration. So this is now already done. So beside this, if there's necessary to measure the performance of the microphone at higher sound pressure levels, we offer a kind of a measurement microphone calibrator. I call it a monster calibrator, because this guy can measure up to 180 dB. So I will show you today how it looks like if we create a sound pressure level over 150 dB. So I put this microphone just here into this calibrator. So this is now a bigger one. For this reason I have to change this view. So, and I put it here onto the top of the CA935 unit. So it is a big one, and it is a tube, and here we have a very strong neodymium speaker. And now I show you how the signal look at this microphone calibrator. So I start now the measurement. So, and now we see here's just now the environmental noise. So I just remove this here. So we see something happened. So now I put it again into the calibrator here. You can see it now because it's so big. So, and now I enable the signal of 500 Hertz. So 500 Hertz. So now a signal is coming, and now we see here we have a sound pressure level of 72 dB. So now I increase the amplitude. So now we are at 100. I will reduce this here a little bit and increase here the amplifier output. So this is now the electrical limit here of the microphone. So that means with this microphone we can measure up to 150 dB. So of course during the calibration this will be much more accurate. So but now for the presentation this is here enough. So that means if the sensitivity of the microphone capsule of the microphone itself is very low, so something like 1 millivolt per Pascal or 0.5 millivolt per Pascal, so then we can measure above 170 dB. So, and with this equipment, with this monster calibrator, we can realize this kind of measurements. So here the test microphone can be mounted on, and here at this side I can put a reference microphone for comparison measurements. So I think this is good view for you to see what kind of calibration methods are available at Roger Instruments. Thank you very much, and I wish you good measurements.